box.
Charlie Blackman, guy's hitting 500.
Justin Moynell.
Second box. All right, enough with the Colorado talk.
All right.
Gypsy Queen, second box. Only
Oh,
two box
save the
break.
picture for the end. Oh, easy.
Black
What do you do? There's four for each box. Here, here's the four. Here are the four winners. Bob, you want to see the side?
Yeah.
Take them, so you have them in your mouth.
What was in the first mini? Anything?
Nothing.
No.
Doesn't look like anything in this one either.
Tiny little box with tiny little
Are
minis.
these the same minis as the other, as the regular packs? These are different.
Nah, different photos, I think.
Nolan Ryan, Ozzie Smith, Paul Goldschmidt mini,
Golly.
Pedro, Prince Fielder, Pablo Sandoval. Did he slim down this year?
Yeah.
His contract, yeah.
They had to get him in the picture.
Randy Johnson.
Sorry, you still can't
Playing
catch
for
a cold
contract.
at third base, though.
I heard when they take a picture from the card, they have to get a wide angle lens. No Blue Jays in here. Come on.
Michael Waka, Dealing Aces, Cardinals. CC Sabathia mini.
You got that one?
Derek Jeter, Glove Stories. Stan Musial mini.
Unless you're trying to get that Carter Williams entry.
David Ortiz, Red,
No.
debut All-Stars.
Thank you.
No.
Jay Bruce, mini, Reds.
Okay, follow them up. Any Jays? Any Jays?
Ian Kinsler,
Side. Close me.
Oh, have it?
What, a jersey? What?
blue border at a $4.99.
Blue border.
Rush, you gotta let me say something.
I'm letting you say Ian Kinsler.
Jason Hayward, Braves, mini. Elvis Andrus,
Jersey.
jersey framed mini.
Nice.
Put that one on the side so you could say all the ones up here. No, over there. Bobby.
No, I don't have any room over here.
Here, Bobby. Put that.
Here's a sepia mini of Duke Snyder
Yeah.
for the Dodgers
Duke.
out of 50. 7 out of 50.
Duke's nice.
Duke the Snides.
That's a nice one.
It's nice looking.
Put that in.
If I could show you the mark on my legs from underneath this table.
Good Hanamoto.
Clayton Kershaw, Dodgers. Bobby Butler?
Billy Butler.
Billy Butler.
Billy Butler.
Not the former Devils, right?
Yeah, that's who I think of. Blue, Matt Harvey, debut All-Stars. Brown for the Phillies, mini.
What is it? This is Canadian.
Glove Stories, Donaldson,
Oh, this doesn't go.
Athletics.
Oh, yeah. There you go.
Willie Mays.
Willie Mays, mini.
Kind of autos.
10 autos.
What? What's 10 on?
Bryce Harper, debut All-Stars. Alfonso Soriano, black, mini, for the Yankees. That is numbered 100 out of 99.
100
Ooh.
out of 99, huh?
100 out of 199.
Soriano. Yeah, put those over here. Can I seal this?
Yeah, reach around. CC Sabathia dealing aces. New York Yankees. Kevin Guzman. Orioles mini.
Guzman.
Which one?
You can't wait. You can't wait 10 minutes.
Calm down. Take a break.
No, we need to focus.
I'm not even
Focus.
talking to you.
Miguel Cabrera.
Nice.
I need him focused.
He's not doing anything.
Oh, I missed the pass.
Johnny Bench. Reds mini.
He's focusing on the Johnny Bench mini. You gotta focus on that.
Tehran. Braves dealing aces.
Tehran.
Jose Bautista.
It's really cheap.
Jose Mini?
No. Wade Miley mini.
Cheap. I give him like that.
$60.
It's pretty cheap.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
$65?
Paid 100 at one time.
Oh, is that it?
That's to get the Kobe order even cheaper now.
Maybe for 85.
Chris Archer.
Nice. I like
Jersey.
Yeah, Chris
I
Archer.
can't stand that guy.
You know,
Tampa Bay Devil Rays.
Every time he pitches.
What fan are you?
Desmond Nationals mini.
Thank you.
Oh, God. Blue Jays, Brad Lloyd, 5 homers. Yeah, but didn't 120.
That's it, really?
150, yeah, it's in town. Goldie, man.
Machado. Debut All-Stars. Orioles. Montero. Miguel Montero? Diamondbacks. Mini.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, come down to the auto thing, because how many packs are there?
Got both jerseys,
Mike Trout glove stories.
Yeah, glove stories.
Matt Kemp. Mini. Dodgers.
How many? I didn't know he was in it.
That's all.
That's it?
Bryce Harper. Insert. Evan Gaddis. Braves. Mini. In the rain.
Man.
The big man.
Yeah, relic,
What?
got another relic over there?
No, there's no dog.
Just one so far?
No, there should be 2 there, no? Maybe I didn't see it.
Justin Verlander dealing aces.
Was there still 2 autos?
Sure, yeah.
Tom Glavine.
I
Oh,
know, that would have been nice.
blue border out of 499.
That would be a nice auto.
Matt Dominguez.
Dominguez. Houston.
124 out of 199.
All right.
Houston. That's mine.
No, I got the Astros.
If you know the Astros, you're bad.
I mean, the guy's
get
their
it.
leading hitter. He's 220, I believe.
For Houston?
There's like 2 guys hitting over 200.
What's Springer doing?
He wasn't playing last night.
Give him a break, right? Oh, that's a foul.
Wade Boggs. Insert.
Springer outfit. That's nice.
Fowler's hitting like, no, he's one of them. He's hitting like
Willie
240.
Stargell Mini.
Altuve's hitting 245.
Oh, we'll start him.
It should be like that soccer, the Premier League. The bottom 3 teams get kicked out.
Get relegated. Yeah, but who would come up? They don't have a
The top AAA teams.
triple A teams. Ooh, auto.
Wilmer Flores.
Another Met.
Another Met auto.
Mets made out.
That's cleaning up. They got those 2 studs.
Sliding out
Homer Flores.
was a Rosenthal Mini for the Cardinals.
No, who's
Jeremy Hefner's on him, man.
no, who's the
Oh, earlier?
auto?
Oh, I have him.
What was happening? What's he doing? Did he dribble out?
Hey, Bob.
He found it.
No, that's the auto. I don't know where the other 2 are in this one.
Puig glove stories.
Ken? Or no, no.
Yeah, he's got 2 in that insert. Sandoval Mini.
Oh, look at this mess.
Sandoval's not too many.
Altuve.
Too bad. Ah.
Matt McGill auto.
What team?
Dodgers.
Dodgers make it down.
They just drop 3 or 4.
Chassin Mini,
Really?
Colorado Rockies.
At home. So you wish, yeah. That was phenomenal Rocky sticker. The first that in every game played the Rockies.
Oh, you know. R.A. Dickey's walking another guy in that picture.
Garrett Cole, just back from the third baseline yelling at somebody. Dealing aces. For the Pirates.
Buckos.
Paul Konerko. Is Konerko still playing?
Yes.
Yeah.
He wasn't there opening day.
They
That's
hit the
it.
other guy. Moved up to the White Sox hit list.
That is the end of this gift.
Tom Seaver.
There's nothing else.
This is painful.
Ozuna.
Everything-
Marlins Mini.
It's so light.
Look at this. Who's Archer?
Last pack. Second box.
Last back. Now let's move it along.
Pedro Martinez dealing aces.
Yeah.
All right, Bob. Let's look at Austin Jackson for the Tigers Mini. Last one.
Has a time on it.
Okay.
Time is good. We gotta act fast, though. We got one more quick run through the hits. Duke Snyder, Sepia Mini at a 50. Chris Archer, jersey. Wilmer Flores, auto, Mets. Elvis Andrus, mini jersey, framed.
Texas.
Yeah, Texas. Porcello. Rich Porcello?
Rick.
Rich, same name.
Yeah,
Detroit Tigers mini. Jersey.
Rick is recorded.
Allen Webster. Jersey. Boston Red Sox. Hefner, Mets.
What's a better box?
Auto.
Basketball?
And Mike Kickham.
Or,
San Francisco Giants. Bob Sports Cards.
Howard.
Howell, New Jersey. Gypsy Queen. Thanks, everybody.